Welcome to the Digital Arc's online demo for our mobile cataloging system RICEpadi, which is short for Rapid Image Capture Engine. This cataloging system focuses on quickly and easily cataloging items in your collection using a mobile device. We support the iPhone, iPad, and iPod, and soon we will support the Android platform. Right now, you're looking at the home screen. Now, the first things I should explain is that all of the layouts, the metadata fields, the controlled vocabularies, the predefined accessioning naming convention, the statuses, and the reports are all customizable based upon each institution's needs and collections. So, during our usability studies in December, we will be gathering all of this information. For this demo, it's going to be based on some generic metadata fields that we've defined. So let's start by looking at the home screen and cataloging our first record. I'm going to add a new record. The accession number field is predefined based upon whatever naming convention your institution currently uses or is going to use. This is often an alphanumeric, unique identifier. Sometimes it contains logic, including a year, a lot number, and then it's often followed by a sequential number. So in this case, you'll see that it automatically has predefined this field. Next, I'm going to enter the title. In this case, this is a piece of scrimshaw. The next field that we've defined for the mobile cataloging layout is the condition field, and this is a controlled vocabulary, and this item is in excellent condition. And I'm going to capture the first image, and I can capture multiple images for an item. Now, if I, for example, were to capture an image and I wasn't happy with it, I can retake that image. Great, I'm going to use that. And then for this item, I'd like to capture the reverse side as well. So let's capture a second image. Great. So I've now completed all of the fields that we've defined as required on the mobile platform for cataloging a record. And I'll click Done. Great. I can then click Browse All Records to browse through the records that have been cataloged. And there's the first one we just did, and there's a previous one that we did, etc. Let me go back to the home screen. I can also search for a record if I know any of the metadata contained in that catalog record. For example, I know we have a Smithsonian poster. So I'm going to type in Smithsonian and click search, and it's going to bring up that record. And it happens to be that for some reason this record doesn't have an image associated with it, so I'm going to, while I'm looking at it, edit that record, and let's capture an image. Great. And now I will click Done. On the home screen, you also have quick reports, and here we've defined what we're looking at in terms of our quick reports. And this gives me an overview and tells me that 11 items have been cataloged using the mobile device. 10 of the items have been imaged, but it looks like one of the records is without an image. So let's look at that. And it looks like G.I. Joe is missing an image. So let's capture an image of G.I. Joe. Great. And I'll click Done. And that I will go back to the quick reports just to show you that now that item has been imaged. And then the last status we have is reviewed here. And I'm going to show you this on the desktop version because an administrator would normally use the desktop version to review items. Now that concludes our demo of the Mobile Cataloging System's mobile device platform. Thank you.